Hey, what's up, Dent coin holders? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special, but because the Dent coin, a lot of holders tell me to please tell us what's the next on upcoming days. They going up or they fail us down. So everything in this video is going special because this is the prediction of Dent coin, and also I tell you, my friends, during upcoming days they going up or they fail us down, and also target of Dent coin, and also share my opinion to sell, hold, or buy. So let's get started the Dent coin price prediction. But before I get started, I request you, my brother, if you are new on our channel, most welcome. Click the subscribe button. Please click the subscribe button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press bell icon for videos notification. Thanks for subscribe, share, and like this video. My friend, if you can see here this time, the last 7 days result I already opened in a chart. My friend, if you can see here this time, a minus 36.8% they fails down. So this is not a small change, and every Dent coin are very terrible to see this result. Exactly this time you can see here the latest price is 0.013 US dollar. So therefore every holder are very shocked, my friend. This time if you can see here, my friend, they completely falls down. They are going slowly but completely falls down. You can see here this time the price is come to very low, my friend, and the price is come to 0.007. Oh my goodness, 0.001 yes, something. So my friend, what's the next? If you can see here, my friend, after a fails they take again jump, my friend. So I hope in upcoming days they take a jump, my friend. This is the circulation of every cryptocurrency, my friend. If you check out, my friend, the last 1 month chart, then you understand to I am alright. Okay, my friend. Yes, absolutely. You can see here this time, if I draw line 1 and if I draw line 2, this line you can see here touch here, you can see here, but after that they falls down, you can see here. So after that they again take here, you can see here this circulation, they're moving up, my friend, like a snack, exactly like a snack. So therefore, my friend, I told you to please don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they make you a millionaire, they give you very good profit. Thanks for watching. Please be careful and subscribe our YouTube channel. Please like this video also. Allah Hafiz, take care.